Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're thinking about moving your website or simply backing up what you've built, exporting your site from Squarespace is an essential skill, and I'm here to walk you through each step so you can do it smoothly, confidently, and without any headaches. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your Squarespace content in a format that can be used with other platforms, like WordPress. Let's jump right in and get started. First off, before you can export anything, you need to make sure your site is public. This seems simple, but it's a crucial step that sometimes gets overlooked. Squarespace's export tool is only available for public websites, so double-check that your site isn't set to private or in coming soon mode. You can check this by visiting your site's main dashboard. If people can access it without needing a password, you're good to go. If your site is private, go into your page's settings and make it public. Just for the export. Don't worry. You can always switch it back after you've completed the process. With that sorted, head over to your website's main menu. This is your control center in Squarespace. Think of it as the command deck of your website. You'll want to look for Settings here. This menu is usually found right at the bottom left corner of your Squarespace dashboard. The Settings area is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with this section if you haven't already. Once you've clicked into Settings, you'll see a menu with lots of options. Don't get overwhelmed. Scroll down until you find an option called Import-Export. This is the gateway for moving your site's information between platforms. If you haven't noticed it before, it's tucked away near the bottom, so take your time to find it. Clicking Import-Export brings up all the available tools for saving and transferring your site. Now, go ahead and click the Export button. This is where you're telling Squarespace you want a copy of your content. Squarespace is a bit specific here. It mainly lets you export your site in a format designed for WordPress and similar platforms. That's the industry standard, so you'll be in good company. You'll see an icon for WordPress. Click that, even if you're not planning to use WordPress, because Squarespace uses this universal format, a .xml file, which makes it easy to transfer your blogs and basic content to other places. Why pick the WordPress option? It's like choosing the most widely accepted language for websites, so your content stays flexible. At this point, you may be prompted to select a blog if you have multiple blogs on your site. Just choose the one you want to export, or repeat this process for each if you have several. Squarespace focuses on blogs, so your pages and other advanced content may not export, but your posts, images, and data are included. Next comes a waiting period a lot of users ask about. After you hit export, Squarespace has to compile all your content. This can take a few moments, especially for bigger sites. Don't worry if the progress bar crawls along slowly. It's normal. Grab a cup of coffee, maybe stretch your legs, and let Squarespace do its thing. When the export is finished, a new button appears. Download. This is your golden ticket. Click Download, and you'll save the exported .xml file right onto your computer. I recommend popping it into a safe folder where you keep your backups. Remember, this file can now be imported to WordPress or kept as a backup in case you ever need to restore or move your site later. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Squarespace website. If you felt a bit nervous about the process, I hope this step-by-step walkthrough made it clear and manageable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Squarespace or website exporting, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website journey.